Some breaking news coming out of London now. A goods lorry on its way through Croydon has exploded after a collision with a car. Eyewitnesses report that the car struck the lorry at high speeds at a junction near Wandle Park in West Croydon, causing a large explosion which has caused significant damage to the surrounding area. London Fire Brigade have told us that they have declared a major incident and that firefighters are in attendance. On the line now is Mike Sharp, our South London correspondent. Mike, what's it looking like down there?
Well, Caitlin, the situation on the ground here in Croydon's Old Town is not looking good. The explosion has caused catastrophic damage to surrounding homes, with many collapsing. We understand that specialist search and rescue teams are on scene and looking for survivors. Additionally, the Croydon Tram Link operates a bridge here where trams pass over the top of a national rail line. At the time of the explosion, a tram passing over this bridge was knocked off and fell down onto the rail tracks. Fortunately, the trains have been stopped, so there's no risk of a further collision, but early reports suggest many casualties on board that tram. The emergency service's biggest concern at the moment is the content of the lorry. Strange debris has been found littered streets away, propelled by the force of the explosion. The police at this stage unsure of what was on board and if it could present a further danger. But for now, back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Mike, and we'll be coming back to that story as soon as we have more updates for you. In other news, Storm Clive continues to make its way along the south coast of England and is expected to strike London within the next 6 hours.
In so many countries where there's a lot of poor people as well, and the Ukrainian farmers, of course, that are supplying it. But there seems to be a little bit of hope there. You did...
This is the BBC from London. A regional emergency broadcast is underway. Please pay close attention. This broadcast is being made at 14:42 Greenwich Mean Time on the 18th of July. This message is broadcast at the request of the Greater London Authority. This broadcast is being made in the following London boroughs: Croydon, Sutton, Merton. At 14:31 Greenwich Mean Time, a goods lorry exploded following a collision with a car at a road junction near Wandle Park in West Croydon. The resulting explosion was extremely large and propelled debris over a large geographical area. Police have now confirmed that the lorry was transporting radioactive material. This means that the debris is irradiated and presents a serious hazard to health. All people within 1 mile of the incident are advised to shelter in place. Those most at risk will be evacuated by police. While sheltering in place, do the following: close all doors and windows, block all air bricks leading to outside, shut off all air condition and vac units, shelter in the most central room of your building, furthest from the walls and roof. Those within 3 miles of the incident are advised to stay tuned to radio and TV for more information. No further action needs to be taken at this time. Touching radioactive debris will cause serious radiation burns. Approaching radioactive debris can cause acute radiation sickness. This can be fatal. The more shielding between you and the debris, the better. Emergency services are dealing with this incident. Do not call 999 or contact hospitals for information about loved ones. They will not have this information and you will be preventing them responding to the emergency.
Beddington control room to pump room stations. Contamination emergency is scram pumps now over.
Pump control received. Scramming pumps over.